That's our, this one doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to get that for you guys later in a second. And once I get that other calibration sheet for these guys, then we can write that down. Okay, so the last one is 5 inches. So now you'll need the second block. So you'll use the 3-inch and 5-inch together, or 3-inch and 2-inch together to make 5 inches. And you want to make sure they're clean so there's not little particles spreading them apart, throwing your measurement off. Yeah, and the same thing, start out at 0 and then carefully spread it apart and bring them firmly but gently on each side. Maybe get a number, do it twice or 3 times to make sure it's consistent. Okay. 12.7. I'm sorry, 127.03. Sometimes I'll even double check the 0. Yeah. So. Okay. All right, 127.03. Okay, so again, I'll show you where to get those other values, and then we can finish that off. So the other thing is, one thing I do is I make sure, right now I can feel this operation's okay. It seems a little bit rough, but not bad. Maybe not as smooth as a new one. So what I do is you can just take a paper towel and just clean this off where it slides. Maybe there's a little tiny bit of binder. You can almost see some there. And then also this. So if you want to grab a paper towel and just clean these off. I don't know if you noticed that, Rick. When you were sliding it, did it seem a little tight?
Yeah, I thought maybe it was just the screw was tightened or something.
Okay,
But
of course,
I don't know. I haven't played with it a whole lot recently.
Yeah, you do want to make sure, that's another thing, to make sure that screw is loose when you're doing your calibration. I thought I had loosened it, but maybe it is tight, and you want to make sure that's loosened too. Was it a tiny bit tight, the screw? Maybe I missed that one.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I noticed you just turned it a bit. All right. While you're doing that, let me get that other info.